Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Acacia. 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 Acacia refers to a genus of trees and shrubs, which are known for their distinctive feathery leaves and typically bear clusters of small, yellow or white flowers. The word is commonly used to describe these plants and their various species. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The African savanna is dotted with acacia trees, providing shade and sustenance to wildlife. Why acacia is used in example number 1. Acacia is used to describe the trees that are prevalent in the African savanna, highlighting their ecological importance. Example number 2. The wood from the acacia tree is prized for its durability and is often used in furniture making. Why acacia is used in example number 2. Acacia tree refers to the source of the prized wood known for its durability, emphasizing its use in furniture craftsmanship. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.